Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, hair care, anything related to beauty you will find out in this channel. And I love affordable makeup, drugstore makeup, skincare, hair care, anything of that sort. So if anything of that sort interests you, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So today I have done this beautiful brown liner, brown mascara, like brown tone look, which is I think very winter appropriate. It is looking very winter appropriate. So yeah, I thought of doing like a simple kind of look for this winter. So yeah, if you want to know how I got this look, keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm going to spray this face mist. This is a really hydrating face mist. So if you have dry skin, you can try this. Okay, now I'm going to use my Biotic night cream. I use this as makeup base, so makeup just glides so smoothly. It's remove all the dry patches since I have dry skin, and it's really good, makeup base also for me. And foundation just glides seamlessly on top of this. And yeah, let's just get started. So for primer, I'm going to use the Mars Illuminati base. This is a really good dewy sort of primer. So if you have dry skin, you will really like it. This one is not that hydrating, so even oily skin people can also try this. But this provides a very subtle glow. You can see a very subtle glow this provides, and yeah, I really enjoy this. And yeah, you can see this provides this beautiful glow. It's a very good cream for makeup base. Okay, so I will let this primer sit and I will do my eyebrow off camera and I will be back. Okay, so for foundation, I'm going to use my favorite foundation. This is the Inside Second Skin, ultra thin foundation. So it has this dropper kind of thing because it's really thin. And I think all of my foundation are looking a tad bit dark. I don't know, maybe because I'm sitting in home only, I'm not tan now. A touch bit dark every foundation is looking. Yeah, so I'm like, what, I'm not NC35 anymore? I don't know, I'm so confused. It's looking every foundation is a little bit yellow looking on me these days. So this is the big kabuki brush that I wanted for so long. Yeah, finally I bought this. And I still want to add a couple of blending brushes in my collection, like detail eye shadow brushes. That's it. I have a lot now. These Wet n Wild brushes are so good. See, it's little every foundation is little bit dark on me nowadays, so maybe I should buy next time after finishing this. I don't know. Wow, this brush I'm really liking. And see, my skin, it's not looking like makeup-y. This is very good. So if you are into skin tints, you will really like this. And I love sheer coverage makeup so much. Like foundations, sheer coverage foundation, I really like. And this is almost dewy looking, and it's like really can you guys see my skin is looking really good? I really like this. And I have applied just a layer. It's like very light. I will take my sponge and blend everything in. And I didn't use sponge because sponge soaks up a lot of product, and this is already like almost no coverage. So now I'm going to use the e.l.f. hydrating concealer. Oh my god, this stuff is good. So on the contrary, I like concealer which has a lot of coverage. So and I will just use again, this concealer is a good match on me. This is by far the best concealer maybe I have tried in this mid-range category. I really like it, and it's like almost full coverage and hydrating, which is a rare combination. And I think e.l.f. has done a phenomenal job with this launch. So if you have dry skin and you struggle to find a good coverage concealer, try this. You will not regret this. And yeah, see, it's like very good coverage. And so it's a very dewy concealer, so I have to set it. And project pan update, I completely broke this and I have repressed this. So yeah, if you are following my project pan videos, this is not the fresh pan. This is, I have to repress it. I just accidentally broke it, completely shattered, then I have to repress it. And yeah, I'm just setting my under eye area with a clean brush, ever so slightly. I will set my face as well, just that much. Oh my god, I'm looking yellow. Why? I'm not happy. The foundation matches. Like, I think I should buy a light foundation that I can mix with all my. Yeah, I'm looking yellow. Please excuse that. I don't know, because of winter and COVID, and I think I have lost all my tan. Yeah, maybe with this angle it's looking a little better, but excuse that. Okay, now yeah, by the way, this look is going to be brown tone. I'm going to use all the brown tone. I don't have a brown top, so I'm wearing my pink top. Okay, so yeah, for blush, before a bronzer, like, let's just go line wise, otherwise this can be a messy situation. So I'm going to use my favorite bronzer. I cannot stop using it. Oh my god, so good. Best purchase, one of the best purchase of 2021, if you ask me, is this bronzer. If you have not bought this after me recommending this in every video, why why just buy it. It's like really, really good. Best bronzer ever. Okay, now I'm going to use this is my current obsession. This is the Miss Care blush in my project pan that I'm trying to use up, and yeah. For cream blush, again, I'm going to use my current obsession. And if you have not tried, the whole internet went crazy after this launch. This is the best cream highlighter launches in a while, I would say. In a while, not just 2021, in a while. Okay, and see, so natural. I don't know, on some people, I don't know which shade they have. It's looking really blinding. So you can see this is so pretty, like a very, very, very pretty highlighter. Okay, now for contour, I'm going to use this for powder contour. You guys know I always apply powder product on cream cheek product, because otherwise they will not last long, and I shoot all day, so I need my makeup to be really long lasting. Like, that's why. This is a very, 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 very pretty bronzer again. So for powder blush, I'm going to use this. I don't have a true brown, like brown blush, so I'm going to use this. This is the shade Biscuit, and it's a very pretty brownie sort of blush again. And yeah, today I'm going to just take this blush on my highest points. I don't know, I'm using different techniques today, and yeah, I want to do something different. That's why. And okay, for powder highlighter, again, I'm going to use the sugar one. This is the champagne or something. It's a very pretty, pretty champagne color, and I'm already like glowing. Okay, now I'm going to spray again this plum face mist. This will melt all the powderiness, all the powders, they mash them together, and that will make them look more natural. For eyes, I have a brown liner kind of thing in my mind, so I think first I will use this shade to set my lids. Using this elf, you have to set this concealer. This concealer like creases. It's a very hydrating one, almost like a dewy finish, so you have to set this. Just setting this. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just use a transition shade, that too not like too much, because I have a brown liner thing in my mind. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to not do that. Use this liner. This is the the brown liner. For this, I need to use mirror and maybe both of my hands, because I have a really shaky hand. Okay, I know it is looking a little orange, but once this sets, it's, you know, it looks like a dark brown. And I'm going to also use my brown mascara. Okay, so I'm going to use my brown liner. This is the liner Mocha. I already have a little bit of lip cream. This is a very dark brown lip liner, and now I'm thinking which lips. Okay, for lips I'm going to use this Maybelline Nude Nuance, the cult favorite. Wow, it's been a while since I have applied this Nude Nuance, and see, it's so flattering the eye look. Wow, so happy with the way this look has turned out. So yeah, this is the final look. I am obsessed. This is looking so pretty. And yeah, I need to add a little bit of brown on my lower lash line because it is looking really plain. I will, you know, quickly do that. So I'm going to take the same transition shade. So yeah, this is the final look. Now it's looking like really pretty. So this is the final look. And a little bit of it transferred here, but that's okay, it happens. And yeah, it's looking really different from all the looks I have done so far. So really happy with the way this look has turned out. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you in the next one.